Many developers assume services should be exposed externally by default, but Kubernetes takes the opposite approach for good reason. Let's explore why. The default service type in Kubernetes is ClusterIP. When you create a service without specifying a type, Kubernetes automatically assigns it ClusterIP. This service gets a stable internal IP address that remains constant, even if the underlying pods are replaced or rescheduled. ClusterIP provides internal cluster-only access, meaning the service is only reachable from within the Kubernetes cluster. External clients cannot access it directly. This design follows the principle of least privilege. Only services that explicitly need external exposure should have it. When you do need external access, Kubernetes offers 3 other service types. NodePort exposes the service on a specific port on every node. LoadBalancer provisions a cloud load balancer that routes traffic to your service. And ExternalName creates a DNS alias to an external service, useful for integrating with external resources. ClusterIP excels at internal service-to-service communication. Your front-end pods can talk to back-end API services, your API can connect to database services, and microservices can communicate with each other, all through stable ClusterIP addresses that handle pod lifecycle changes automatically. Remember, ClusterIP is Kubernetes secure default, keeping services internal unless you explicitly choose NodePort, LoadBalancer, or ExternalName. Practice with this concept and keep sharpening your Kubernetes skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.